guys, Miss Charlie here with another BYOP video. I showed you my build your own palette for fall. That video is up if you'd like to see swatches of the shadows from my singles collection. Today I'm going to do two looks. I'm going to do one on each eye using the shadows that I picked for my fall BYOP. So if you'd like to see the looks that I came up with, continue watching. I thank you so much for being here. Appreciate you. If you want to see more BYOP videos, please let me know. I'll be glad to do it. I'll do one for maybe Thanksgiving and then one for Christmas or winter. So I thank you all again for being here. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit your notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And we're going to go ahead and get into the tutorial. Two looks using my fall BYOP. Alright, so those were the 2 looks that I did using my Fall BYOP. If you saw the video before, you'll see swatches of all of these shadows. And I did not use them all. There were a couple I didn't, but I used most of them for these 2 looks. I went green, a little green on this one, and then a little more orangey brown on this one, and then did the lip to match. And then I have my Halloween earrings on with my fall background, of course. But those were the 2 looks that I did with my Fall BYOP. If you would like to see more BYOPs, let me know. Give me a theme, and I will do my best to go through my singles and try to meet that theme and then do a look using the shadows that I picked. But I thank you all again for being here. I appreciate you all so much for taking the time to hang out with me today. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe here on YouTube and on Instagram. And we will see you in the next video.